The tools that professional penetration testers use every single day on desktop, the same ones that show up in OSCP courses, bug bounty write-ups, and real engagement reports, most of them run on Android. These 7 all have official websites you can find on Google right now. Real development teams, real documentation, real tools that professionals actually use. Disclaimer: authorized use only. Your own devices, authorized lab environments, bug bounty programs within scope, or targets you have explicit written permission to test. Legal and ethical hacking always. Tool number 1, Metasploit. Metasploit.com. If you've spent any time in ethical hacking, you know Metasploit. If you don't know, it runs on Android. Now you do. The Metasploit framework is the world's most widely used penetration testing platform, actively developed for over 2 decades by Rapid7, who maintain it at Metasploit.com alongside the commercial Metasploit Pro. Inside Android, via Termux or Kali NetHunter, you get the full Metasploit console, every module, every payload, every post-exploitation capability. For Android-specific ethical hacking, the key piece is MSF Venom, Metasploit's payload generator. During authorized security assessments, MSF Venom creates Android APK payloads that ethical hackers install on authorized test devices to evaluate whether MDM solutions, mobile antivirus, and network monitoring actually detect malicious app installations and C2 callbacks. When an antivirus misses the payload, when the MDM doesn't flag the installation, when the network monitor doesn't catch the callback, those are the findings that justify the engagement. Tool number 2, Burp Suite. Search Burp Suite on Google, and the first result is portswigger.net, Portswigger's official home, one of the most recognized names in web application security worldwide. On Android, Burp Suite is the standard for intercepting and analyzing mobile app traffic during authorized assessments. Configure your test device to proxy through Burp, install the Portswigger CA certificate as a system-trusted certificate, and everything the app sends and receives becomes visible. Every API call, every authentication token, every piece of data transmitted to back-end servers. What investigators actually find through Burp on mobile. API endpoints that accept different user IDs than the logged-in user without checking authorization. Authentication tokens transmitted in GET parameters where server logs capture them. Sensitive data flowing to third-party analytics endpoints the developer never documented. Business logic that enforces pricing on the front end but ignores it on the API. None of that is visible without intercepting the actual traffic. Burp Suite is what makes it visible. Community Edition is completely free. Tool number 3, Wireshark. 25 years as the gold standard for network protocol analysis, available at wireshark.org, and more relevant to Android security testing than most people realize. Wireshark captures every packet flowing across a network interface, every IP address, every protocol, every connection. During authorized Android assessments, this matters because not all traffic goes through your proxy. Some apps use custom protocols. Some implementations bypass standard HTTP entirely. Some use certificate pinning that defeats your Burp setup. Wireshark sees all of it at the raw packet level regardless. On Android specifically, T-Shark, Wireshark's command line version, runs inside Termux on rooted devices and captures packets directly. On non-rooted devices, PCAP Droid feeds captured traffic into Wireshark on a connected desktop for analysis. Either way, the packet-level view catches traffic that application layer tools miss entirely. The combination of Burp Suite for HTTP traffic and Wireshark for raw packet capture covers the complete network layer of any authorized Android assessment. Wireshark.org, completely free and open source. Tool number 4, Frida. Search Frida Dynamic Instrumentation on Google and you reach frida.re, the official home of the tool that most professional Android security researchers consider essential. Where Burp Suite and Wireshark work from outside the app, intercepting what goes in and comes out, Frida works from inside. It injects scripts into the running application and lets you hook into any function while it executes. Monitor what arguments a specific method receives. Modify what it returns. Observe the internal state of the application in real time while it's alive. The immediate practical application for most Android security testers is SSL pinning bypass. Certificate pinning is a defense developers add specifically to prevent traffic interception. On authorized assessments on rooted test devices, Frida disables it, and suddenly Burp Suite sees everything the app was trying to hide. Beyond pinning bypass, Frida is what you reach for when an app's behavior at runtime doesn't match what static analysis suggested. When something is happening inside the running process that no amount of code reading explains. Frida reads the execution in real time. Frida.re, free and open source.
Tool number 5, SQLMap. Most Android apps are front ends. The real data lives in back-end databases, and SQL injection vulnerabilities in those backends are what SQLMap, available at sqlmap.org, finds and demonstrates during authorized assessments. Modern Android applications communicate with web APIs. Those APIs query databases. When developer input sanitization is incomplete, which happens constantly, parameters that reach the database can be injected with SQL syntax. SQLMap automates the entire detection and exploitation process. It handles every major database: MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, SQLite, and more. Detection is automatic. Once a vulnerable parameter is confirmed, SQLMap demonstrates the impact, extracting the database schema, reading table contents, accessing file system paths. Impact demonstration is what converts a theoretical vulnerability into a critical finding on an authorized engagement report. On Android, SQLMap runs inside Termux, which means the same phone accessing an authorized target app can also run the tool testing that app's backend database during the same engagement session. SQLmap.org, completely free and open source. Tool number 6, HTTP Toolkit.
Burp Suite is the professional standard for traffic interception. HTTP Toolkit, available at httptoolkit.com, is what you use when you want the same core capability without the manual configuration overhead. The Android client is available directly on the Google Play Store, which already makes it exceptional on this list. Install the HTTP Toolkit app, connect to the desktop application, and the proxy configuration and certificate installation happen automatically. No manually adjusting network proxy settings. No manually extracting and installing the CA certificate. One connection and everything works. Once running, every HTTP and HTTPS request from every app on the device appears in the dashboard. Full request and response bodies. Headers. Timing. The ability to modify and replay any captured request without reconfiguring anything. For teams doing authorized Android app security testing at scale, or for practitioners who want to start intercepting traffic immediately without spending 20 minutes on Burp certificate configuration, HTTP Toolkit closes that gap. httptoolkit.com. Free tier available. Android app on Play Store.
Tool number 7, Fing. Last one, and the most immediately accessible tool on this list because it installs directly from the Google Play Store in 60 seconds. Fing is a professional-grade network analysis platform that maps every device connected to an authorized network, identifies each one by manufacturer and device type, detects open ports and running services, and flags known vulnerabilities associated with discovered software versions. For authorized network assessments, where the Android device is both the tool and the entry point, an internal Wi-Fi assessment, a client engagement where a laptop isn't practical, Fing handles the network discovery and initial vulnerability identification layer that desktop tools like Nmap would normally cover. The interface is genuinely excellent, clean, visual, and immediately readable. Every discovered device shows MAC address, manufacturer, hostname, and IP, alongside open services and any flagged security issues. The continuous monitoring mode alerts when new devices join the network. For ethical hackers who want professional network discovery capability directly from an Android device with no setup required, Fing is on the Google Play Store right now. Fing.com. Free core features. Google Play Store available. Like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Which of these 7 are you already running? See you in the next one.